Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to refill coolant in Audi Q5 easy method. Begin by ensuring the engine is completely cool and the car is on level ground. Open the hood and locate the coolant reservoir and radiator cap, then prepare gloves and a funnel. Check the owner manual or coolant cap for correct coolant type and mix ratio. Keep a catch pan under the drain plug and have rags ready for any spills. Start by placing a catch pan under the drain point and loosening the drain or lower radiator hose to let old coolant flow out. Keep the radiator cap open to speed drainage. Once drained, gently tighten the drain and inspect hoses and clamps for wear or leaks, replacing any damaged parts. Clean up spills immediately and store old coolant in a sealed container for proper disposal at a recycling facility. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy car guides. Quick recommendation: life is too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your Audi Q5 smelling fresh after that coolant work. It pairs nicely with post-maintenance drives. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoyed the tip, share it with a friend. Now let's get back to the video. Slowly add the correct coolant mixture to the reservoir until it reaches the fill mark. Then start the engine and set the heater to a warm setting to help circulate fluid and release trapped air. Watch the reservoir level and top up as the system bleeds. Squeeze radiator hoses gently to help purge air pockets. After the engine reaches operating temperature and levels stabilize, check for leaks and recheck coolant level after a short drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.